Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. Lloyd's Welding here. Sorry my shop's a wreck. I've been working on the snow plow and a set of pallet forks for the MT50 Bobcat we just picked up. But this video, a little short video. We went to Walmart the other day and they had, my wife's been wanting stocking holders for the fireplace. Well, they had them for like $5 a piece, and they're just a piece of metal with some bells on them and like a lead weight in the back. So told my wife, I said, I'll make you a set. And so this is all our initials, mine, my wife's, my son's, and then my daughter, who will be born here in February. So I decided just to go ahead and make these, put little hooks on the front, and then it wasn't enough weight on the back. It kept flipping over the horseshoe, and so what I did was I put our initials on the back so we know whose is whose, and I think it'll look good on top of the fireplace. I don't know if what color I'm gonna paint them. I'll probably paint like mine and my son's, like maybe green, and then my wife's and my daughter's red or something like that. Or I'm gonna let her pick the colors, but it's just an idea. If anybody wants to use it, here it is. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.